What if you make a mistake or revise your opinion on the replication market's prediction market? Say I accidentally or previously submitted a forecast for 11%. Okay. Whoops. How can I fix that? All you have to do is go back to the Make a Forecast tab, and it's the same process as making the forecast the first time. Drag it back to where you want it to be. I don't know, maybe 25%. But before doing that, take a look over here at the panel on the right. This displays how many shares in yes or no you currently own and how many shares you would gain or lose if you went ahead and clicked submit. See how many points you have available to invest and how many you would have if you clicked submit your forecast. So in this case, by reversing my forecast or partially reversing it, bringing it from 11 to 25%, I would be gaining points. And those are points that you can use to forecast somewhere else. The most helpful and profitable thing you can do is to invest your points in the claims where the market forecast is furthest from what you believe. So if you're running out of points to invest, then you might want to partially disinvest in one question to reinvest where you believe the market forecast is currently less accurate. I'll say more about this in an upcoming video.